Hey, good day everyone. Just got this fully enclosed carport put together. Here's a look at it. We'll walk around. We'll look at the inside too. It took me a couple weeks. I think you can do it quite a bit shorter time than that. I just took my time doing it. It's the back side of it. Roof there. Say one of the main things is getting a nice flat area. There's the other side. Getting it all compacted so you got a nice good base in which to keep the thing level. I like how it's got the two doors that open up really wide. Fit your car, truck, or quads, ATVs, motorcycles in here, garden equipment, you name it. Lots of room. Nice and secure. Keep the water out, keep it dry. Definitely need a ladder for assembling this thing. And this is a two-person job, so a lot of this you need two people to put this up, because you got one person holding some of the parts and then the other person screwing it in. Some of them are just too long to handle with one person. If you're really creative, you could probably do it through the use of some clamps and some holding fixtures, but you know, it'll take you some extra time if you wanted to go that route. But I'm really happy with the coverage on this thing. You know, it's going to keep stuff out of the elements.